back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video is going to be an unboxing of a beauty device that I just received. This is gifted to me by the brand Minxu, I think that's what it's called, Minxu Electronic Technology, and this actually came from Hong Kong. World Beauty, that's the name of their site, worldbeautysite.com, and I think this is the brand Minxu, M-I-N-X-U, and they have a lot of other devices here. They look so professional. Like, have a lot of different gadgets for beauty. It looks like something that you can only find in skin clinics. They're really professional as well. So please go ahead and check out their, oh my god, they also have Dr. Pen. I think that's the micro needle. So please go ahead and check out worldbeautysite.com. They have a lot of products there, and it was sent through DHL. I already have an idea of what's inside this package. They sent me a picture, but I'm looking at the picture right now, but I want to do this unboxing with you guys, so let's just go ahead and open this. So again, this is a beauty device. So this is the box that it comes in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my scissors and then I'll be right back. So I know that you guys love unboxing videos as much as I love unboxing these packages, but it's really nice to try different products from different brands. And if you have been on my channel, you know that the focus of my channel is testing out beauty products, whether it's makeup or skincare, but I just really love finding out what's new. As always, I give my 100% honest opinion about products. So I really can't wait to test this out. So when you open the box, it has styrofoam, another styrofoam. Ooh, it's actually smaller. Okay, so here is the product inside here. Let's go ahead and check this out. Ooh, nice box. It's like made of leather. The box actually has a texture. So this is the product they sent me. Okay, so I had to change the setting of my camera just because I feel like the setting earlier was overexposed, so you can't see anything. And you guys know I love showing you guys details. The video looks a little bit darker now, but the good thing about this setting is that you can see everything. So this is the Ultrasonic Shovel Beauty Start. And I know already what's inside, but I just want to show you guys the box. The box actually feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. If you look at it, it actually has texture. And if you look closely, there's actually really nice shimmer to the box. So when you open this, you have the user manual. And it says here, yeah. Oh, alright. So this is the Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. Ooh. Wow. Wow, it's actually slimmer than I expected, and it looks super nice. Look, it's thin. I didn't know it's this thin. The material has shimmers in it. Little touches like that really make a difference. If you guys tried buying like beauty gadgets online, they're usually just made of like really cheap plastic, but this one feels really luxurious. You can see here there's lifting, moisturizing, and cleansing. Yeah, for the face. Okay, so this is the device, and I actually really love how slim this is. I have seen a couple of people review something like this. Their product doesn't look like this. This really feels more luxurious than I was expecting. So I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, and that is the scrub. If you have like a lot of blackheads, a lot of whiteheads, and you just really want to improve the texture of your skin by removing those blackheads and deep-seated dirt in your skin, you can scrub those away by using this. And I think this vibrates. I don't know if this has charge, but we're gonna go ahead and press this power button here. I hope it has charge so I can show you guys. No charge.
Impossible, no charge.
I'm pressing it, it's not working.
Touchscreen.
Touchscreen. I think you need to charge it. Wait. We just found out how to turn on this device. You're supposed to press this power button for 2 seconds, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. And you're supposed to hear a sound. Hold on. Here. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That is so cool. And there's like blue light. If you guys can see, there's blue light blinking. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's blue light blinking first, and you can now choose if you want lifting, moisturizing, or cleansing. And to turn this off, you're gonna do the same thing. Press this for 2 seconds. Why is it not working? I think you're supposed to use your thumb for this. Yeah, so if you hear that sound, it means your device is already turned off. It's so cool. It's like touchscreen. I'm actually really already impressed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and read to you guys what this device can do. So it says here, product features. It says here, deep cleaning, pigment decomposition and desalination spot, deep okay, that is enhanced skin elasticity. So I'm just gonna read here everything that I can understand. Desalination spot, I don't know what that means. Enhanced skin elasticity, that is great. We don't want skin that is really dry and saggy. We want something that's really tight and elastic. And then it says here, promoting blood circulation and lymphatic metabolism. So I think that, you know, when you use like facial massage devices, something that they roll on their face. So this is sort of like, you're sort of like massaging. Oh my gosh, it turned on its own. Wait lang. Okay. Alright, there you go. If you accidentally touch it, it's going to turn on. So yeah, just make sure to keep your hands off the power button because it will turn on. It's sort of like giving your face a massage. So we all know that face massage helps with lymphatic drainage and promoting blood circulation too. It helps renew your skin. Basically, that's the simplest way I can describe it. And like renewal of skin. So that's really nice. It's skin massage, nutrition introduction, and I wish you guys can read it. It's like really a mouthful of words and like descriptions about this. But yeah, I really agree with this last one. It says here, elegant appearance, easy to use and operate and carry. I really agree that it really looks elegant. And from what I know, this brand actually has a lot of really professional beauty gadgets. Oh, I accidentally turned it on again. Wait. Okay, so let's turn this on and then remove the cover. Okay, let's remove the cover. And then, so yeah, this is the thing that you're gonna use on your face. The plastic is completely sealed to the metal here, so it's really nice. Press the power button for 2 seconds to turn on the device. Press the button 3 times to select the moisturizing mode. Moisturizing. Oh my gosh. Moisturizing. And there's a sound. What's that? I'm supposed to remove this first before I do anything, just to be safe. Because I don't think you're supposed to use this with the plastic on, of course. So let's just go ahead and remove that. Ooh, super shiny. And I can't wait to use this. I think you're supposed to use it like this and scrape your blackheads with this. And I think this vibrates. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and give this another try. So this is the lifting. Okay, this is the cleansing mode. Okay, this is I don't see any difference with the other settings. Oh my god, the lifting sounds like... Okay, so this is lifting. I don't know if you guys can hear the sound, but this sounds like coins. There. So this is the lifting. Cleansing. The moisturizing sound is like more toned down. Like a noise, like a static noise. And then the lifting sounds like it's juggling there. Hopefully you guys can hear. But yeah, I'm sure it has a purpose why there's sound and why there's blue light, but I just need to really use this to really see, to know the purpose and the benefits that it's going to give your skin. But while you are not choosing anything, it's like, I think this is the standby mode. You can see blue lights blinking. And let's turn this off. Okay, so it's so easy. So I think I'm just gonna have to use this myself. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this in front of you guys for the first time because I don't wanna like use this wrong, you know, in front of the camera. But if you guys want to see my trial and error the very first time I use this, then yeah, maybe I should film my first impression of this while using. But for now, I'm really impressed with the presentation, with how the device looks like, and the features of this product. I really love beauty devices. If you guys have like, it all started with the warts removal pen. That is when my love for beauty devices like this started. But yeah, I can't wait to use this, and it looks really nice. It looks super classy and sleek. Very slim device. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing video. I really enjoyed doing this and filming this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!